Well, the other big story of the day, it was a clash of the titans in battleground UP today as the Prime Minister and the Congress's Rahul and Priyanka Gandhi descended on the poll-bound state. Prime Minister Modi launched a mega infrastructural project, the Ganga Expressway, and used the occasion to lash out at his opponents ahead of the critical polls, even as the Gandhis led a padyatra against price rise in the former Congress bastion of Amethi, which Rahul Gandhi lost to the BJP Smriti Irani in 2019. And Prime Minister Modi's spot shots came on a day when the former Chief Minister Akhilesh Yadav's aides were raided in different parts of the state, including Mainpuri, the stronghold of the Yadavs. Shortly after the tax searches started, Mr. Yadav accused the BJP of misusing central probe agencies.
Tax raids on close aides of Akhilesh Yadav, including his personal secretary and two senior party leaders who also run big businesses. Just as the Samajwadi Party chief started yet another day of his Vijay Yatra election campaign, drawing huge crowds, and this sharp attack on both the BJP and the Congress.
आखिरकार चुनाव से पहले ही क्यों? अभी तो इनकम टैक्स आया है, ईडी आएगा, सीबीआई आएगी, न जाने कौन कौन सी संस्थाएं आएंगी। कांग्रेस का पुराना इतिहास उठा करके आप देखेंगे तो जब कभी भी डराना होता था तो इन्हीं संस्थाओं से उन्हें डराया जाता था।
ये भारत सरकार का स्वतंत्र विभाग है जो सबके खिलाफ कार्रवाई करता है, उससे दल से कोई मतलब थोड़ी होता है।
चुनाव से पहले बोला जा रहा है छापेमारी।
अब देखिए क्या चुनाव के समय गतिविधियां थोड़ी बंद होती है। इतना कह सकता हूं कि बीजेपी की सरकार किसी के प्रति न तो प्रेजुडिस होकर काम करती है न भविष्य में करेगी।
Just as the tax raids on Akhilesh's aides were unfolding, Prime Minister Modi on yet another visit to UP, his 10th day in the state in just the last 1 month.
गंगा एक्सप्रेसवे के शिलान्यास समारोह में पधारे सभी महानुभावों का स्वागत है।
Laid the foundation stone for the 600-kilometer long Ganga Expressway. Yet again, he used a government function for political attacks on the opposition, particularly Akhilesh Yadav, including what some could interpret as a veiled reference to the raids.
जब उस माफिया पर बुलडोजर चलता है, बुलडोजर तो गैर कानूनी इमारत पर चलता है, लेकिन दर्द उसको पालने पोसने वालों को होता है। तभी आज पूरे यूपी की जनता कह रही है, यूपी प्लस योगी बहुत है उपयोगी।
इसलिए योगी नहीं है, अनुपयोगी है, अनुपयोगी। इनका नाम आज से अनुपयोगी लिस्ट नाम है।
Akhilesh Yadav's supporters say the BJP is nervous over big crowds at his rallies. The BJP says it will not relent over its campaign on what it calls the alleged corruption during Akhilesh Yadav's tenure as UP Chief Minister between 2012 and 2017. With Arshad Jamal and Vineet Verma, this is Alok Pandey, NDTV.
So, raids on rivals ahead of a crucial election. And new election, but the same old script. Joining us now, Alok Vats, leader of the BJP, and Nahid Lahiri Khan, spokesperson of the Samajwadi Party. Mr. Vats, to you first, so much predictability, same old script we're hearing in the run-up to these elections. You see a spree of infrastructural projects being launched by the Prime Minister in UP weeks before the polls, and now the opponents, your political opponents, are saying old wine in a new bottle. Raids on political opponents of the centre of the BJP. Akhilesh Yadav says the tax department has come to fight elections in UP now.
Well, Sarah, we have a list of projects that we have already completed in UP, and our achievements, whether it is on the waterfront or road front, airports, medical colleges, and various other, building of toilets, building of houses for the poor, giving under the Ujjwala scheme, giving cylinders, gas to the women. There are a host of things we have already done, and we are on and on, and we are going on. Our process has not stopped. So there are various other projects besides Kashi Vishwanath temple and the Ram temple. There are other various welfare projects which are being launched
your
by the
opponents
Prime
would
Minister.
say, why do you need to carry out raids then on them?
But it's an independent department. Who are we to get raids done on them? It's an independent department. It's their job to do raids. They are doing raids at various places and finding uncouth money, amassed by these various officials. And now there must be some lead. If there is nothing, then it will be clean sheet given to them. If there is something, they'll be taken to task.
All right.
That's simple.
Nahid Lari Khan, do we have any statement from the IT department about the reasons and the outcome of the searches? What has been found? Do we know that yet? Because Alok Vatt says these are independent departments just carrying out their job.
Sara, no such statements have come from IT department, and let me tell you that Akhilesh ji is constantly amongst the people on roads, addressing millions of people. People are eager to hear him, see him across the night. Even sky is not the limit for his rising popularity. The mandate of the people in favor of Samajwadi Party is being openly reflected on roads. Now, fearing colossal defeat, BJP has sent top leadership to UP, which is around 1,000 to 1,200 people, around 10-12 CMs, around above 100 mayors, MPs, ministers. They all have come to UP. Yet they have not been able to, make us even a small dent in the rising popularity of Akhilesh ji or of Samajwadi Party. Now, IT department has also entered the arena on behest of Bharatiya Janata Party. Soon ED and CBI will follow. As it has been a practice of Bharatiya Janata Party to misuse government machineries on the eve of elections, be it in Bengal, Maharashtra, Rajasthan. Now, any stunt BJP does, it will not deter the mind of the public, because public has made up their mind to make Uttar Pradesh Bhajpa Mukh just as they made Tamil Nadu and Kerala BJP Mukh. Now, if this IT raid had to take
Alok
place...
Vatt, the timing, the opposition saying that the timing here is suspicious. Does this display nervousness in the BJP?
Sara, we are the largest political party in the world. And let me tell you one thing. Whether somebody is a chief minister or an MP or a mayor, he is first a BJP Karyakarta. And it is a duty of a Karyakarta to go and do election campaign. So if we have people coming here to do the campaign, what is the harm? They are BJP workers. And if an independent agency is carrying out raids, that's their job.
So, Mr. Vatt, when will we hear what the outcome is of this raid? What has been found?
Give them some time. They will come out with what has been found in the raids. And what the lady was saying, that she is already giving the mandate. Samajwadi Party is going to rule the roast. Who is she to say this? Let the poll outcomes come.
Public has
hold on, Nahid Lari Khan. One sec, Ms. Khan. I'm coming to you in a second.
Even I can say with confidence that the reports we are getting, the feedback we are getting, and the welfare work that we have done.
All right. I don't want to get into that.
350.
All right,
we will be crossing 350.
Okay. Last word to you then, Nahid Lari Khan. You wanted to say something. You had your finger up.
Yeah, I was just saying one thing, Sara, that if this IT raid had to take place, it could have taken place a month or two back when returns were filed. But since BJP has failed on all levels, they have failed to make even a tiny dent on the popularity of Akhilesh ji or on Samajwadi Party. So now in this Chala Chali ki Bela and in this Chunavi Bela, they have come out with IT raids. And Alok Vatt, she is saying that BJP is the world's largest party. So let me make it very clear that in 2022,
you refute that?
BJP,
Mr. Vatt, 1 second, we'll come back to you.
in 2022 elections, it is for sure that in Uttar Pradesh, BJP will become the world's smallest party, just like it has become the world's tiniest party in Tamil Nadu and
All right,
Kerala.
I don't want
And
to.
we see that
I don't want
BJP
this debate to descend into this. But Mr. Vats, I want to just raise one question on what Ms. Khan has pointed out. The timing, many saying, is suspect. Why weren't these raids carried out a month ago when your returns were being filed, etc., coming just weeks before the election? That's asking for these charges.
You are right, because it has taken place at this moment. It has got linked with the elections, but it is not that. The income tax department works 365 days. They don't work, haphazardly.
On behalf of BJP
But Mr. Vats, I basically want to understand, can we get a reassurance, like any department, because the raid started this morning. It's been an entire day that they've been carrying on. They're in fact still carrying on. Can we get a reassurance from the authorities? Do you not believe that the department has a responsibility to come out with a reason for this raid, what has been found, some kind of, openness, clarity about what's happening?
Yes, you will have the clarity, but let them complete the raid.
Okay. All right, we will have clarity. Let them complete the raids, says
it's going on, and who doesn't know?
Thank you so much, Ms. Khan, Mr. Vats, both of you, for joining us with your time today on this topic that really never seems to get old. Every year, every election, we're back to the same debate, unfortunately. Thank you all for joining us on Left, Right and Centre tonight. Bye-bye.